Hey everyone! Today, I want to talk about the LifeLimit SB111111 accessories kit, a game changer for all GoPro enthusiasts out there. This kit, boasting a whopping 40 items, is a must-have for anyone looking to take their action footage to the next level. Let's start with the chest strap. It's not just a strap, it's a gateway to immersive, hands-free filming. Perfect for skiing, kayaking, biking, or any action sport, the fully adjustable design ensures a comfortable fit for all shapes and sizes. Capture those breathtaking moments from your chest perspective, whether you're tearing down the slopes or cruising on your bike. Now, onto the headband. This accessory is a game changer for keeping your footage crystal clear while you shred. Fully adjustable to fit any size, it's compatible with all GoPro cameras. Imagine capturing every move without worrying about your camera's stability. This head strap makes it possible. And let's not forget the bicycle clip. The handlebar seat post mount adds a new dimension to your biking adventures. With a tool-free handlebar clamp and a 3-way adjustable pivot arm, you can secure your camera to any round or semi-round tube, be it the handlebars, seat post, or even the fork legs. The versatility of this mount opens up endless possibilities for capturing your cycling escapades. In conclusion, the LifeLimit SB111111 accessories kit is a comprehensive solution for anyone wanting to maximize their GoPro experience. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or just love documenting your adventures, this kit has you covered. Unleash the full potential of your GoPro and take your footage to new heights with the LifeLimit SB111111 accessories kit. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.